Remember I told you that I need to change a few things in my house?
Move some cupboards that prevents me from putting a double bed in my spare bedroom.
I am going to take those cabinets and put them over here. The one is going to go over here. This plug there is taking electricity into this room. And you have to have a plug in every room for the electricity certificate to come through. So they're going to put one in this cupboard for me for now, because this cupboard is coming out. This room is empty now, and I've emptied all the cupboards so that we can move them. Drawers are out, and this cupboard is going over there. I still need to take the skirting boards off, and then I'm going to take the cornices off as well, and that we are cleaning it out. And the cupboard is here now. Interesting to see the color that the wall was before. I never knew there could be so much gecko poop. And then we are taking the skirting boards off, and that's off. So now we can move the cupboard there. Just find this in. We still have to put this. I was putting cornices. My friend Cyril is busy undoing this cupboard, and look what we found. There's no ceiling board. Look at that. So that we will have to cut off. Gecko poop for Africa. Now you can see the hole in the ceiling. This room, need to paint. Need to fill in that hole. Fix over this side where the water is leaking. See up there. It doesn't leak, but you can see there's water coming in. And I think that's it. Yes, put the doors back for this cupboard. And just put some painter's mate in the corners so that the geckos can't get in. Oh yes, and put the, how do you call these things? Cornices. Cornices back up. It's my friend's antique dealer, and I found this for my kitchen. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? And I'm going to ask another friend to rewire it for me. So the first coat is on the wall. I don't like it. It's too blue. I don't think you're going to be able to see it in this light, but it's very blue. I love this color. It's more like a blue-gray. But the other color, on that side, it's too blue. But I do love my little chandelier. Oh, guitar! It likes your moving. And it all continues. It's a beautiful new day, and today I'm finishing this room. So last night, as I was giving this wall its second coat, I realized there's damp there, so I painted it with the damp seal stuff. Now I can paint that today. And this wall is almost done. I just need to paint the bottom still with the second coat, and then there. My budget has been extremely tight. The paint you see was given to me by a friend, and we tinted it ourselves. A lot of the work that has been done in this room has been done with the help of friends. I've also had to wait for people when they were available to come and help. I am working most days, and for that reason had to work after hours to fix up this room. You are seeing up to this point a lot of days of working and preparation. And I'm going to close the video up here and just show you a short preview of what is to come. This little chest of drawers is going to go into the spare bedroom over there, right there, or maybe underneath the window. And then I will have a chair in that corner, and the bed will go over there. It's going to be pretty.